Hey guys, so I just finally installed this Ring doorbell too, and came out great. I really like the quality of the doorbell. I didn't encounter a problem with this type of brick. I had an issue trying to mount this Ring doorbell too. So I came up with an idea. I took a outlet cover from inside of my house and I installed it on the brick to then install the Ring doorbell on the outlet. So this is what it looks like. So what I had to do is I marked up the 4 holes where the screws were gonna go. I drilled through the brick, as you can see here. And I do have some spacing on the back of the brick because it's an uneven surface. Okay, good. So you could see that this helped a lot to mount the bracket flat on it. Now, I did have to get longer screws for this to work. I did encounter a problem. Some of the screws that I had used, the head was not flat. So when I tried to mount the doorbell, it wouldn't clamp correctly because of the rounded head. So then I had to get flatter screws with a flatter head. So I do recommend, if you do replace the screws that they come with, that you get very small, thin head, flat screws, not rounded, because it'll give you an issue trying to later mount it. It won't be secured correctly. So yeah, get the proper screws, get longer screws, or if you can use the screws that they provide, that'll be even better. So that's what it looked like before, and you can see the wires. It doesn't matter which one you connect on which screw. It'll work either way, but I brought the wires here. I used the existing doorbell that was there, and mounts really good, real secure, looks great. And don't forget to put the security screws that go below so you can secure it correctly. And it's a great doorbell. I'm actually impressed of the angles that it can get. It gets a really wide angle and it works perfectly. I'm really happy with the way everything came out. So if you like the way this video, if you learned something about it, please like and subscribe. And if I get another how-to videos that could help along the way I add more gadgets to the house or something, I'll make sure to try to upload them. Thanks, guys.